Alright, so last video here, little Sunday morning uke tutorials. Saw the strokes, as the other videos say here. Coachella last night, and this song is special. The adults are talking because after we watched them perform or debut this song on Saturday Night Live, before the album came out, we were pregnant with our son Julian, who's now going to be turning 5 this month, so we kind of named him after Julian in a way. Anyway, this song played as G. It's going to start with the melody here coming with the ring, open, middle. That's kind of how you have to negotiate it there while you're going between the G and the E minor shape. Now it's a D7 we end up for the say them after me. Alright, and I like to do that little melody embellishment there. That's a really, really cool sounding chord there. Don't really know what it is, but it's a version of a D, okay, because we end up on D. So let's play through the whole verse part again. You start on G, then it's to E minor, then back to G, then up to E minor, one more time, G and then E minor, end it on the D, end it on the D. Now we've got the chorus coming up here, so we've got the melody on the high string starting from A minor, which would be our minor 2 here. You can hear that 3-3 open and a 3-3 open. Now we're going to go to the D7 here, so put that middle finger down and get ready to do the same thing, but it's between ring and middle now. You can see I'm plucking that with the thumb there. And then you got to do the little walk. G, 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 G. And then like a C7 major 7 here. Really pretty chord there. Then you do the whole thing again. So the A minor. Boom, boom, boom. The guitar solos. E minor. You can even play it if you want to with the. Then we're really just arpeggiating the chord there. So that's pretty much the 2 sections of the song. You got the G to the E minor, end it on the D as being your verse, and then you've got the eventual ending of the song, or I mean the chorus of that here being a. Then the D7. You can really just get it if you're just trying to strum intentionally. But that was just a little walkthrough there. I'm not trying to make these all encompassing videos and playthroughs, but hopefully that gives you some idea how you can kind of voice that melody, the basic chords you need, and how you can just make it a little bit more fun on ukulele. Play something that, I don't know, not only fun to sing, fun to play, but usually takes more people, but get it all done yourself. Anyway, have fun with that. Happy uking.